In this video, I'm going to show you how you can completely remove OneTab extension from your Chrome browser. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to remove the OneTab extension, you need to go ahead and find a list of all extensions that you have installed on your Chrome browser. To do this, first go ahead and log into your Chrome browser with your Gmail account, and then head over to this extension shortcut and click on it. And then down below, you should see manage extensions. If you click on this, you should see a list of all extensions that you have installed on your Chrome browser. Among them, now OneTab is here. Alternatively, if you can't access this, then you need to go ahead and click on this ellipsis and then go down to extensions, and if you hover over it, now you should see the first option, manage extensions. By clicking on this, you'll be taken to your list of all extensions, and you can see OneTab is here. You have here two options, either to just turn the extension off, and this will make it stop functioning. However, if you wish to remove the extension completely, you can just go ahead and click on remove, and then you'll be prompted here to complete the process by clicking on remove, and immediately the OneTab extension has been removed. So that's how you can completely remove OneTab extension on your Chrome browser. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.